Hey, Grant Cardone here. I want to share with you 10 steps that will ensure that you become a millionaire in your lifetime. Number 2, stop all poverty behavior. Poverty is a terrible thing. If you've ever known anybody that lived in poverty, suffered with poverty, even close to the poverty line, you know that it is awful. And even those with money can live like they are in poverty. I've known millionaires that acted like they were in poverty, wouldn't spend any of the money they had because they were worried about money not coming in the future. Make a list of all the actions, because most of this is mental. Make a list of all actions those who live in poverty operate with and commit to not doing them. Listen to what I'm saying here. Make a list of the activities that people that either live in poverty or act like they're living in poverty, how they operate every day. Drugs, alcohol, buying stuff, not investing but spending, wasting weekends, government or any kind of dependence upon others, shortcuts, victim mentality, not reading, refusing to network, and refusing to get outside your zip code and travel are all things that you need to stop. And I'm sure you could expand this list. Stop all poverty behavior.